Ironhide, acknowledge. Where are you?
His transponder should be broadcasting his location. Something is wrong.
Need assistance. I have lost mobility. Heavy damage. Using...
That's Ironhide. You found him. You'll need to use your backup power cells to re-automate this mainframe.
Just in time. My reserve power was almost depleted.
Bad news. I see multiple hostiles heading your way. Before we can pull you two out, you'll have to clear the area of all Decepticons.
Good. I can use the exercise. There is nothing like a little violence to get the oil flowing.
Ratchet, is Ironhide cleared for duty?
I have had a complete overhaul, Prime. I'm ready for anything.
Another hour in Shanghai and you'd have been ready for recycling. You'd be sheet metal by now.
Hardly as useful as his present form. Well done, Autobots. To defeat the Decepticons, our shooting must become more precise.
We've been reading the same statistics. Without increased accuracy, I'm afraid that last victory could be our last.
Autobots, our battle continues. A new attack has begun at the waterfront.